Everything ready to go here. Hopefully I don't run out of fuel. Ooh. You go in that in front of the truck would be great. Alright, so we're doing good. We're having fun. We're out. Finally, we got a saw with a sharp chain or sharp end. It's been used as a sledgehammer so many times in its life. Yeah, we kind of know what it is. It's not what it's made for. Oh, this is probably, this looks like old. I need to assess. This is going to be a nice big bear. I mean, somebody else has taken claim over it, so it's mine. We're starting to get this stuff here called weather again. It was like we might be getting rain. It's beautiful over here, crap over here. This is a repair job on the sidewalk that I did years ago, and I don't remember putting this extra wide sweep like that in there. I think it's from when they're bringing in the fire, they put their firewood here. I think that's all been shifted from the skid steer, because here's a piece. As I'm taking this apart, I'm starting to realize that things are not, they're not together as I left them. Yeah, because all that's shifted off. Watch. His web, I don't know how the heck he did it. Stones. He's pretty big. That's gonna be good. All right. Well, it's been a day, kids. It's been a day. If I look, all of a sudden I look over here, there's a piece with a notch in it missing from the whole collection. At all, any of it, because that's a huge gap there. I don't go in and make sure that I don't think I would have installed this stone that way. It looks. That's a nice cut too. That looks pretty good. The complainers that will be there, they are watching. They are watching. And it's like they're just looking for something to bitch about. Sometimes I do not do safety just to give them something to complain about. You know? You see inside the jug, it's not absolutely perfect. Job and really poor. I don't even think these are coated. Personally, I'm gonna put a little bead around those too. It looks good. I don't see I don't see any scoring on that piston. Here we have a rub. Right off the tip of my thumb. That's a rub. Then, I guess that's what. So, they feel rough. You hear it? But see, you get this kind of softer pine. It's been laying around for a while. It's aged in a bit now. Now the grapple, the claw actually digs into it and sticks. So there's some stones installed. There's more to go in. Got the laser set up, beeped in. Got to level a few of these, lift them up, adjust them as I go, but mostly it's just a matter of getting this set here yet or not. I gotta check them all. Over here I should be high. Yeah. Yeah, over here this edge, the edges should be a little bit lower. With me not providing the best content, but I never do anyway, because I'm not a professional TV guy. I'm little YouTuber guy. The thing you guys don't understand, and that everybody thinks that YouTubers, we just go out and we get $1 million as soon as we get a channel and we're making a little bit of money. That's not how it works. It's like these kids that work for the companies that I deal with. They'll ask me for help, or they'll ask me to borrow 20 or 30 bucks, and I'll be like, dude, what it? Just because I'm a contractor doesn't mean that I got money coming out my ears. It actually means I have a lot bigger expenses than you would ever know. Guys, GoPro being what it is, I don't think they really designed it for people who work. And that's what a lot of us who work need, is something. I mean, it's convenient, but it's still a pain. I mean, they are handy because of all that, because they're mostly weather resistant, waterproof, whatever you want to call it. Supposedly. It's worth a shot in the dark. I don't know, 40-inch bar, whatever that is. Working beautiful. Now I just gotta want to get this stood up. All the GoPro, all the cards, all the batteries. I would like this video to be made. 5 hours or more now. I don't even know. Open them back up. right? Well, that's not good.